type of connective tissue is cartilage. Cartilage are found in the nose, this separation of nose, in the ears, rings of trachea and bronchial tubes, between vertebrae and also at the end of long bones. Cartilages have no blood vessels or nerves running in them. I repeat, cartilage are found in the nose, ears, rings of trachea and bronchial tubes, between vertebra and also at the end of long bones. It has no blood vessels or nerves. Next comes the bone. Bones are hard porous tissue. They have a good supply of blood vessels and nerves. I repeat, bones are hard porous tissue. They have good supply of blood vessels and nerve. Then comes the fluid connective tissue. The fluid connective tissue consists of the blood and the lymph. We know about blood. Blood is made up of different types of cells, the RBC or erythrocyte, WBC or leukocyte, and the platelets. Whereas lymph, it is a fluid surrounding the body cells. It has only white blood cells and no red blood cells. Now we will talk about the next connective tissue, that is muscle. Muscles form this connective tissue, that is the muscles. They form a major part of our body. They help in different activities. They are attached to the bones, you know that. They help while we walk, while we run. These are the muscles which helps us in these various activities. Muscles are basically of three distinct kind, which includes striated muscles, that is the voluntary muscles. Voluntary muscles means the muscles that are under our control. Next is the unstriated muscle. Those are the involuntary muscles which are not under our control. And the third one is the heart or cardiac muscle. And the last connective tissue includes the nerve tissue. Nerve tissues forms the nervous system. They are made up of elongated cells called neurons. They have other parts like the nucleus, the node of Ranvier, the dendrites, dendrons, nasal granules. You'll slowly learn about all these in the next chapters. Now we will discuss some of the questions. I'll want you all to keep a pen in your hand and a copy beside you and keep on taking notes. You'll be requiring all these things, all these records later. So please don't miss to keep the note. I'll start with the first question. See, in the first question we have to name the type of tissue that is present in this particular area. Let's start. I'll be repeating the question twice. Please keep a note. Name the kind of tissue found at the tip of plant roots. I repeat, name the kind of tissue found at the tip of plant roots. If you have paid attention, you can very easily answer. The answer to this question is apical meristem tissue. So it is the apical meristem tissue that is present at the tip of plant roots. We come to the next question. Name the kind of tissue found at the lower surface of leaf. I repeat, name the kind of tissue found at the lower surface of leaf. The answer is the protective tissue. So it is the protective tissue that is found at the lower surface of the leaf. Next question. Name the kind of tissue found in the inner lining of the intestine. I repeat, name the kind of tissue found in the inner lining of the intestine. It is the columnar epithelium tissue that is found in the inner lining of the intestine. I repeat, the answer is columnar epithelium tissue is present in the inner lining of the intestine. Next question. Name the kind of tissue found at the joint between two long bones. I repeat, name the kind of tissue found at the joint between two long bones. The answer is ligament. It is the ligament which joins two bones together. Next question. Where is the least specialized tissue located in plants? I repeat, where is the least specialized tissue located in plant? It is the parenchyma tissue. So parenchyma tissue are the least specialized tissues in plants. Where are the parenchyma tissues located? They are located in the stem, roots and fruits of the plant. So parenchyma tissue are the least specialized tissue in plants, and they are located in the root, stem and fruits of the plant. Next question. Where is ciliated epithelium found in humans? I repeat, where is ciliated epithelium found in humans? Ciliated epithelium in humans is found in the windpipe or trachea. What is its function? See, it is ciliated epithelium, that means they contain cilia. The cilia keep on lashing, and what happens because of this lashing? It helps in moving the materials which enter the region. So I repeat, ciliated epithelium in human is found in the trachea or windpipe. The cilia constantly keep lashing. The cilia constantly keep lashing and move the materials which enter the region. Next question. How many tissues are found in the human heart? I repeat, how many tissues are found in the human heart? There are 4 different kinds of tissue present in the human heart. I repeat, there are 4 different kinds of tissue present in the human heart. What are they? They are the muscle tissue, the epithelium tissue, connective tissue and nervous tissue. I repeat, there are 4 types of tissue present in the human heart, which includes the epithelial tissue, the muscle tissue, the connective tissue and the nervous tissue. We'll go to the last question. This is a tricky question and it is based completely on the concept that you have. I hope you can all answer this. The question is, can you consider a cluster of eggs as a tissue? I repeat, can you consider a cluster of eggs as a tissue? Why? The answer is no. Why? Because we know the difference between cells and tissue. What are tissues? Tissues are formed of a group of cells performing similar kind of function. So, can you consider a cluster of eggs as a tissue? No. Why? Because they are separate cells and cannot together perform a similar kind of function. So, cluster of eggs cannot be considered as a tissue because they are separate cells and cannot together perform a similar function.